People, me say some bomber drop on Kaka I there. I don't know for Iraq, Syria, I want them places over there, Afghanistan. Me I tell you, Kaka I get rubbed out from all angles. She get exposed after we hear so she give the man jacket to the people. One name come out, when them ask, who is this person? Me see how that vlogger put it out and I ask, who is this person? MC, come at the front of the class and I'm right about now, You get exposed from so many angles, man. You give the man jacket, No sabak side and no. We see a name come up. We are going to call the name people. We are going to discuss it. We are going to discuss it. So like and share and leave with the thought right down below. Maybe see me can find the name and tell the people because whoa, Marcia Campbell, you're in a deep shit. The person record a Swavy or Suave or what you want to call him. Marcia Campbell, who is record a Suave. The people them want to know. The members only people them want to know. The planketeer them want to know. Other people want to know. The mix up people them like me and others want to know. Who is that? There's many other things to come out. You are so stagnant. No. I tell you this, When friend and friend stop talking to people, it's normal, it's not normal. And it take a good while for them come back together. Although I know that myself, say Marcia Campbell and Queen Bee will never be friends again on social media. After Queen Bee let out all of Marcia Campbell's secret, No, sir, Kaka I, you know shame. No, sir, you know no shame tree. You know, tired of people expose you. How much time people come out and expose you. You come and deny, say I lie them at and I lie this. Queen Bee know your secret. Admit it. If you give the man jacket, come out and say you give the man jacket. Come out and address it. Make the whole way of content for do. Straightforward. Me want content. Ashanti want content. Other people want content. Come out. Come admit the jacket thing. Can write about no stinker road. It's stinking at the garrison. It's stink uptown. It's stinking in New York and New Jersey and California over the place them. It has spread like virus. The jacket thing. No, sir, people, are you so nice? Are you so nice? Make sure you like the video and leave with a thought right down below, guys. Because right about now, Kaka I sweat. Cold sweat a rush Kaka I right now. Check on Kaka I people. Members only see if Kaka I alright and thing. Because she get the jacket in her. And she afraid. Things about South. Story come to bomb. Bomb a drop. Everything a drop on Kaka I. The house a tumble down upon her. You never know them thing, When you come on social media and run off a disgusting mouth and thing, you never know them thing, You never know somebody have a secret. The woman have a secret. And guess what? There's more to come. So guess what, man? Know? You see, the more you talk, how the more I'm going to drop on you. How the more in your head I become Iraq, Syria, Pakistan, or even Afghanistan. You have to know what you do. You can't come a war without your one clip. You will lose the gun battle. You think a Western this or you're a man fire after each other together? You have to come well equipped Kaka I. And right about now, you're like a waste girl on social media. No joke about that. You don't have no substance. You don't have no value. You don't have no pride. You're a mad woman on social media. And guess what, Queen Bee, drop out her belly button, man. We scrape it up. Drop out her belly button, man. Hey, Queen Bee, I want you to expose everything at all. Some things that we never know, tell we. Yeah, man, tell we everything at all what I go on right about now. Because you see MC, she deserve this, man. Rub her, man. Rub her. Rub her up, man. Put her in her place, man. Make sure you know what I go on and what I go on. Expose every secret what I go on. What content. Who want to know what I go on. Everybody want to know what I go on and think about what I go on. Yes, man. We need to know if she get the man jacket. We need to know who name Swavy or where you want. Who name Ricardo Swavy or Suave. Who is that person, Kaka I? I the man breed you? Come forward and talk about it, because right now we need to know what I go on and think. You dare waste time on social media. People want to know what I go on. The people them want to know what I go on. And you not tell them. You hide things. And I say a lie people tell upon you. Me I say people, more things are going to drop out. Kaka I better run. You know you're going to eat curry, you better run. I eat something, I eat a food, you belly run away you want. Me I tell you, I belly gonna run, she gonna drop, boof, buff, 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 buff. Yes, man. You know when you pick jelly and it drop, boom. As me say, I saw kaka I gonna run up and down. Kaka I gonna run up and down. Kaka I gonna still alive and can't touch live. Kaka I gonna still alive and them start tremble. Jesus, peace, hallelujah. Talk truth. Kaka I. Between me and you, you no shame. You no shame. Eh? You no shame. Look how much thing I come out for you. Look how much thing I come out for you. The people them I expose you. Ashanti expose you. Who is CJ father? Eh? Oh, you make Queen Bee know something about you. Eh? Me say when Queen Bee done with you, all your tribe gonna drop out of your river. You're not gonna have the use for your body again. You see me? It's a matter of time before nature take its course. So you right about now waste your time on social media. You look like a ras big bird. The woman have your ticket. The woman have your formula. And there's nothing at all what you can do. Forget back at Queen Bee. Queen Bee know everything about you. And Queen Bee is a drop out your file them one by one and thing. Right now, we don't even know which file Queen Bee there right now and thing. Because right now, me know you're supposed to be on social media right now and I talk to members only people them. And you can't go for Queen Bee again. Because you know so true the woman attack. You have to run. Eh? You have to run like a dog. So people, when you see big deal come out and I run off her mouth and thing, she shame like a dog, people. Me I tell you. She shame like a dog. No joking about that. She shame. Bad. But guess what now? When it comes to mix up and exposure, some people never admit to a thing. They might say a lie. They might say this, they might say that because guess what now? Them don't want get exposed. People want continue to tell a lie. You see me? And I want to know what kind of lie Queen Bee that want to help on Marcia Campbell. I want to know what kind of lie Marcia Campbell that want to help on Queen Bee. You see me? You hear some people, Queen Bee, some people are born her out and I say, yo, why she come out for Marcia right now? And some people have said Queen Bee and a real friend to Marcia. But to me, Marcia deserves this backside. She deserves this ras for everything that she do on social media. Yeah, man. What do people say, Marcia, Erica the landlord, come out for her, me I tell you. Come out for her. Yeah, man, as usual, and put her in her place. No, sir. This is too much. This is too much. The lady named MC got to go. Waste of time. Waste of talent. But she a big singer. And that. You're a waste of time, Marcia Campbell. You're a big lunatic. You're a big clown on social media. So you see time when you sit down and talk about you do show, you can find sitting down man, you look like a big clown and a big, we call it, a big nerd. People, when they did phones around here, and enough phones kaka aya go on with. Enough madness kaka aya go on with, guys. You see me? Because guess what kaka I know. She's a waste woman, she's a clown, and a fool together. You see me? Yes, guys. So I'm best gonna serve as usual. And thanks everyone for tuning in to the one Kaka I and Queen Bee. You see me? Cause right now the people, I say Queen Bee right now. Queen Bee are the formula for Kaka I. Yes, man. Yeah, man. She have the formula for her and she keep on expose her. So there's more things to come out, guys. So here we go on now. We have to stick around for that. You see me I say? Yeah, man. If you don't want that, you can check out Jamaican Queen Bee YouTube channel. Over there to do the video them for Kaka I. See me? Because right now Kaka I things it away right now. I know Kaka again now I twist. Yeah, man. I them cast. Because when you hear them thing, when you hear them by my drop on her and thing, I must drop out. I fast them must drop out, guys. But guys, bless upon yourself, yeah, man. Bless upon yourself. Enjoy the rest of the night, you know, guys, and just stay focused on what to come, man. Stay focused. Do the right thing. Do the positive things, and, you know, make a swagger go on. But that's about it, people. Love talk to you. Take care.